Hello there, traders. For today, I decided to cover and update you on my yesterday's analysis and forecast on the gold and on the USD Japanese yen, and to tell you my opinion for the further direction and some levels that you can eventually watch on those currency pairs. So I will start with the gold, and as you see, we have a gold chart here, the 2-hour time frame. So basically, we spoke yesterday about this potential completion of this A, B, C upside corrective phase, and there is a chance for a new leg down or new wave to the downside. And the play there was basically to sell around 70.35 with a risk eventually of $10 and try to make $20, $30, $40 move on the gold. So try to make 3-1-4-1 ratio. Actually, the gold got a drop of about $40 from yesterday. So there was a $40 drop on the gold, and this leg looks like a complete fresh new leg down, and I don't see the reason why this cannot go further down in the next short-term period, let's say, and try to revisit this area around 1675 and 1680, which is exactly this low here from like March 8. Now, since we reached the lower calendar line of 2-hour time frame, there can be some small reaction up, but there is a still overall recommendation to sell on the rallies, even if you're intraday trading. If you're a swing trader, then you got a good profit from the yesterday's downside opportunity. Speaking of the intraday trading, you could literally watch, for example, on the 30-minute time frame. We have some recent swing lows around the level of 1708. So you can literally watch the eventual pull back and rally into maybe this middle Bollinger Band or Keltner line and the recent swing lows for maybe an intraday sell play. So watch for that zone for intraday selling and hold your short eventually or scale partial position from yesterday's bearish opportunity. So that will be analysis on the gold, and we see there is an increase in the volume as well on this down move, which is another sign that actually sellers are so much in control on the gold for today. The next one is the USD yen, and this is also the update on the hour position. So we spoke that basically you could literally load your long positions around 108.50 level with eventual stop loss underneath the lows here, right there. Even to place a stop loss underneath this low. So we got a very good ratio and very good rally here, which is something that we were speaking yesterday. So basically price went 50 pips higher, and that was a potentially 2-1 risk-reward ratio that you could make. Now the price almost reached the zone of previous swing high. It's actually failed to visit that for about I'll say for about few pips, but there is actually 109.22 level that is awaiting still like a swing high there. And the momentum actually today that I found the momentum here is pretty decent on the way up. Now we got some downside correction, but still this can be a buying opportunity intraday speaking to play on the long side, because we got the series of the previous swing highs here, which can act like support, and it's a good to load long positions for this pullback on the intraday and try to play for a revisit of the 109.17 and eventually attack of this 109.23. So watch for that eventual long positions from this area here, and the stop loss can be placed in the lower Keltner, for example, on the 30-minute time frame, which is sitting at a 108.70 level. And potentially you can try to go for 20 to 40 pips profit for the day and expect another upside move from here. So that can be potentially played to buy the pullback intraday on the USD yen. So that will be all for today, guys, and see you tomorrow.